What's up, muscle car people? Bringing muscle cars, and I'm Jared. Today we're going to be doing some detailing work on Quinn's Fiesta. We have our Hybrid Solutions Pro Precision Platelet, one and done technology. So, what this is a polish and a compound all in one depending on what cutting pad you use. So, we're going to just try it out on his hood. We have a yellow heavy duty cutting pad. It's the heaviest one they have from Chemical Guys, I believe. They're Hex Logic or whatever pads. So, we're going to try that first, and then we'll switch to a softer pad then, see what kind of difference we can make.
I can see it.
And you?
Yeah.
I'm trying to sell one. What type of question is that?
Yeah, look at all that.
That was there when I bought it.
I know. It's a problem.
Is there anything else up here?
You can try once.
All right. That's real. What do you want me to say, man? Like,
nothing.
it's a learning experience, okay? We need crap cars to practice
It's
on.
what it is.
We have one. This was your idea. You paid for everything.
Yeah.
All right, so you got that on. Bob, is that satisfactory enough? You're
I'm
the expert.
satisfied.
You do this for a living.
Full disclosure, I do not do this for a living.
And yeah, we'll just buff it off here. Don't touch it, Quinn.
Oh yeah, look at how good this did.
Did it? I don't think it really did.
I don't think it did much. I feel there's like a lot of product on it.
Might have overdone it, but. Alright, so we did the heavy cutting pad. This is considered a heavy polishing pad for moderate swirl removal and finishing capabilities.
Woo!
Again, we're going to apply a couple pea-sized drops, maybe a little less this time, because there was a slight haze left over, so we'll go a bit less.
You definitely did more than enough last time.
Yeah. So we'll do that, and I'm always down to learn, except when Quinn tells me to do stuff because he's wrong.
Every time.
Is that on tape?
Yeah.
Good. All right, ready?
You plugged in?
Yeah, that helps.
I believe Quinn's right on that. It does help if your extension cord's plugged in.
All right. Well, they got rid of the haze. Well,
Kinda. The paint just in general isn't that
it's not. It's still not cutting.
There's like chips and stuff.
Yeah, but we're not cutting any of our our fine scratches down here.
I have a theory. I have a feeling that this is going to be better, like at the top end on the finer end of the scale versus like an actual cutting compound.
Remember, good for everything.
Yeah.
Good for nothing.
Hey, this is the information that we need to pass along to our
Good for
YouTube
everything.
community.
Good for nothing.
We have viewers depending on us for this valuable information.
All right, guys. So we are ready for the final stage. We're going to use the white, which is a really, really light finish. Again, with our precision platelet. So we're going to get going here. Another couple 3 drops. And 4, 5 real small size drops there. All right, and we're gonna get going.
No wonder it's
And we're gonna do what?
We're gonna get going here.
Oh, okay, that's what that was. I think you're dripping from your chin there, buddy.
All right. So that is the light polish. Really, really light polish.
It's hard to get it off, it looks like.
Yeah, I'm not too keen on this product, I'm not gonna lie. So I will say my complaint is that this stuff is just hazy. I don't know if I'm doing something wrong or what, but it just leaves a haze on the car. I don't.
You try to clean the side of the towel.
I've been flipping it a lot, yeah.
It kind of just wants to smear.
Yeah, let me get another one.
It's just swirls like with a brush.
Alright, well,
It's just the product is still on there.
All right. So now our next step.
Don't stir the bear.
So we use this ceramic polish and wax from Hybrid Solutions to try and see if we can eliminate some of the hazing that we had from the all-in-one product. And this seems like that's coming right out.
much better.
All-in-one, good for nothing.
See?
Yeah.
There's nothing there. I mean,
Well, there's grease on your fingers.
yeah, but I mean, you were writing your name in it.
Yeah.
Now that looks better.
Yeah. Now I can definitely see a
That
difference.
looks way better now. You can see.
Look at the small scratches are now gone.
Yeah, you can see some of them like fade
Yeah,
real bad.
Actually.
So do you
Yeah.
think the product is viable as long as you finish it off with?
See, okay, so Bobby, can you film me for a minute?
Yeah, I'm just trying to get this line and show some of the scratches here that stop from down there.
So, I like Turtle Wax, don't get me wrong. I have their whole Hybrid Solutions line over there. I am gonna pop it. This doesn't finish the product though. Maybe if I went to like a final finishing pad instead of like a really, really light cut. We do have some lighter pads over there.
Right here.
But then it's like you're doing this 3-4 times and that just kind of is annoying. It says perfection in less time. I disagree. I would have rather do my normal method, which is just like a medium cut and then their polished ceramic wax, which we did to finish it. And that really kind of made it 10 times better. Like I can see a line from here where the bottom part of the hood is just 10 times better. Would I buy this? Probably not. I think I'd rather stick with the tried method of just a cut on a cut pad and a polish on a polish pad. So
Can we do a cut and can we do?
we can do the normal method on the top of the car.
And we get a direct comparison.
We can try that, yeah.
I didn't realize there was like cuts the whole way up to here too.
Your hood's screwed, man.
Double fisting.
What's the green one again?
Medium.
Heavy polishing pad for moderate swirl removal and finishing capabilities.
You want?
This is not a cut or medium pad, but we're not using it that way. We're going to use it as a finishing pad.
Why not use the white one?
How do you guys lift the hood on this?
It's on the passenger side where the latch is.
Here. It's a weird
Alright guys, so we got the hood done using two different methods there. Ryan thought the bottom looked better. I think the top looks better. David's coming in, giving his opinion. Not sure.
I feel that.
David thinks the top looks better. You know, it is what it is. I might stick with my method and not use the all-in-one anymore. But we're gonna just coat it with the Hybrid Solutions graphene-infused flex wax. I sprayed it all around the car. Quinn's going around and polishing it in. Everywhere but the roof, because we've got a secret coming for that. You'll see on a future video of Fiesta Fridays. So if you like this video, subscribe so you see what we do next to the Fiesta. And as always, if you got a fast car, you better bring it.
Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. I'm going to link a couple more videos that if you like this one and you made it all the way to the end, you're going to definitely like these. So watch them. Also, that middle button right there, I think is probably, you know, somewhere in there. Hit that button to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more action.